Hi guys, is your company in need of the most reliable and efficient best professional teeth whitening gel refill in the market? Your good luck led you to the ideal situation, so congratulations! You are in the best possible place. By eliminating the need to read through dozens of reviews, we are saving you time and stress. Many customers find it difficult to decide which professional teeth whitening gel refill product to buy. The dilemma is brought about by the many types of professional teeth whitening gel refills in the market. This comprehensive guide will provide you with a clear understanding of how you may choose the most suitable professional teeth whitening gel refills available in the market. So, let's get started. Number 10 is, whitens teeth up to 10 shades in 7 days with powerful dental-grade Carbamide Peroxide Gel. Teeth Whitening Gel Refill Pack includes 10 ml gel tubes for a total of 30 ml. Each tube contains 10 plus whitening treatments for a total of 30 plus treatments in this refill pack. Whitening gel contains dental-grade 35% Carbamide Peroxide in mint flavor. Removes years of tooth stains from coffee, wine, soda, tea, smoking and more. See results in as little as 1 treatment with no sensitivity or irritation. Teeth whitening gel is safe for enamel. To use, dispense gel into a teeth whitening light or teeth whitening tray and wear for 30 minutes per day for best results. Whitening gel is proudly made in the USA for safety and efficacy. To use, dispense gel into a teeth whitening light or teeth whitening tray and wear for 30 minutes per day for best results. Whitening gel is proudly made in the USA for safety and efficacy. The next is Number 9. I am always hesitant to use teeth whitening products. My teeth tend to be very sensitive on a regular basis, and whitening products usually leave me in near tears when I drink a cold drink, or worse, burn my gums up. I was scrolling through Reddit one day and a dentist recommended Carbamide Peroxide for great whitening results and no sensitivity. Obviously, I hopped right over to Amazon and found ZeroGlow. This stuff is perfection. My teeth were noticeably whiter after the first use or two, and absolutely zero sensitivity or pain. As a bonus, when I went in for a cleaning, the hygienist said my teeth were cleaner than they have ever been. I assumed the peroxide was killing bacteria and helping to keep tartar at bay. All around definitely a good product, and I would 10/10 recommend. The next is Number 8, Refill Pack for SmileDirectClub Teeth Whitening Kit that include LED accelerator lights. Bonus, pamper your lips with shea butter and beeswax with a scrumptious vanilla scent. I have used Crest White Strips for years, about 2 times a year, and have had great results. In comparison with the SmileDirectClub whitening system, using the LED light with it, Crest may have a slight edge in more faster noticeable results in that you can see Crest White Strips whitening sooner than with SmileDirect. SmileDirect, however, is the cheaper whitening system once you have the LED light thing and only need these refills. SmileDirect is quicker to use. 2x a day for 5 minutes, and then after you spit out the foamy residue, you wait another 20 minutes before you rinse your mouth for 7 to 8 days. Crest is 30 minutes of having the strips on your teeth, 2x a day, for 12 to 14 days. I also have had no gum or tooth irritation or sensitivity with SmileDirect, something I can't always say about Crest White Strips, as the strips sometimes do make my teeth sensitive. Perhaps it is stronger, or simply because the solution is on my teeth for longer. Note that I already have white teeth to begin with that need occasional brightening. I use this for coffee stains, mostly, as well as for berries, and the very occasional glass of red wine that might stain my teeth. So, that makes the SmileDirect system the better buy for me. The big standout is the lip balm. I love this stuff. I'd buy that separately if it's available. The next is Number 7, Maximum Strength Snow Serum, Full-Size Maximum Strength Refill for the Snow Teeth Whitening System. The Snow System is a collaborative innovation by professional dentists and leading engineers. The proprietary advanced teeth whitening system uses award-winning LED activating technology to offer professional results for as little as $1.50 per treatment, in the comfort and convenience of your own home. Superior results even with braces, enamel, veneers, and crowns. Snow is safe for use with braces, crowns and veneers, so you can be confident that you will get the results you want without risking damage. Get a whiter, brighter, more confident smile with Snow Oral Care. Our special serum formula and award-winning LED activating technology can offer superior whitening to toothpaste, teeth whitening strips, charcoal teeth whitening gel, and teeth whitening trays. Award-winning KIT for sensitive teeth, the Snow Whitening System was the proud recipient of the Tuck Award for Best Whitening Kit for Sensitive Teeth. Snow makes it easy for everyone to achieve a stain-free smile without the pain that can be associated with bleaching. Join 555,000 plus happy customers. Snow has been featured in hundreds of publications including Elle, Vogue, Marie Claire, WebMD, Women's Health, Yahoo, MSN, Good Housekeeping, and InStyle. Supported by top celebrities such as Miss Universe, Rob Gronkowski, Chuck Liddell, Floyd Mayweather, World Championship boxer. The next is Number 6, Deluxe Teeth Whitening KIT. Our deluxe dental grade teeth whitening gel pen safely and efficiently helps to remove teeth stains from food, coffee, wine, soda, smoking, and more. 10-minute fast result teeth whitening. Our teeth whitening gel makes your teeth whitening experience super fast, just 10 minutes per day. Most customers experience 2 shades or more whitening results after the first application of MySmile. Teeth Whitening Gel Pen for Sensitive Teeth. Our special non-sensitive teeth whitening formula with Carbamide Peroxide makes it perfect for sensitive teeth, clinically proven results with millions happy customers. Easy to use with dentist recommendation. Our convenient foolproof teeth whitening gel pen can be safely used at home, in office, and easy to carry while traveling. Proudly made in the USA with 100% satisfaction guarantee, we believe our products so much that if you are not 100% satisfied for any reason, refund will be issued immediately. You got nothing to worry about and we got your back. The next is Number 5, manufactured at Dentech Laboratory in USA. Our Carbamide Peroxide Gel is filled fresh daily, shipped direct from laboratory. Teeth Whitening Kit includes 10 44% Carbamide Peroxide syringes and instructions for usage. Trays are not included, so please contact seller if needed. Satisfaction guaranteed. Same teeth whitening gel sold to over 300 dentists. All purchases have a 60-day money-back guarantee. Whiter, brighter teeth in 15 minutes. Most everyone notices a 2 to 5 shade difference after the very first teeth whitening treatment with our product. It can take up to a week to be fully satisfied. Please note this is for gel only. Please see our other listings if you need thermoforming trays or our brand new LED light system for home use. Whiter, brighter teeth in 15 minutes. Most everyone notices a 2 to 5 shade difference after the very first teeth whitening treatment with our product. It can take up to a week to be fully satisfied. Please note this is for gel only. Please see our other listing. Number 4, Dr. Song Teeth Whitening Gel Refill Forex 3 Milliliters Syringes Powerful Whitening Gel, the same formula you'll find at the dentist. Produced fresh, made in the USA. I fell in love with the 35% CP syringes my dentist sold to me, but I didn't love the price. When I found these, I was cautiously optimistic. I whiten my teeth every 6 months or so. I found these syringes to be great. The only complaint is that I do have to apply it directly to my teeth with a Q-tip due to the opening being larger than the product from the dentist. However, I do sort of like that better because it assures I cover up my teeth evenly. Imagine my surprise today when a coworker remarked on my white teeth after just 4 30-minute treatments. I plan to stick to the 30-minute limit because I do get sensitivity with all whitening products fairly easily. The value is great as I have used just over 1 milliliter for 5 treatments. I will definitely buy this product again. The next is Number 3, see results after first use. Use once a day for 10 minutes to remove stains from coffee, wine, soda, smoking, and more. Many people experience whitening after the first application of iSmile. Most powerful whitening gel experience up to an 8-shade whiter smile in 7 days with our enamel-safe 35% Carbamide Peroxide formula. The same formula you'll find at the dentist. Proudly based in the USA, our innovative whitening kits were designed by a team of leading dental experts in an FDA-registered facility to be gentle, yet effective. 100% satisfaction guarantee. If you are not 100% satisfied with your product, you'll receive a full refund immediately. Use in combination with your iSmile at-home teeth whitening kit or any whitening trays. Simply load the gel into your mouth trays and insert snugly against your teeth and wait 10 minutes for best results. Rinse gel off teeth after use and do not ingest the gel. Results can be seen after the first use. The next is Number 2, safe for sensitive teeth. EZGO Teeth Whitening Gels is absolutely safe for your sensitive teeth and gums. Most people can see noticeable whitening results after the first whitening process. Shining smile makes you more attractive. Easy to use, perfectly match with our teeth whitening light and tray to achieve a better whitening at home. Our teeth whitening gel is 100% safe for at-home whitening. It is best to use 15 to 30 minutes to get better result. Achieve stain-free smile. EZGO Teeth Whitening Gels can quickly and safely remove all cigarette, coffee, and tea stains that have been formed through the years, and help you find your whitening smile easily. Professional and powerful, professional-grade tooth whitening gel effectively whitens your teeth, the same technique you'll find at the dentist, but from the comfort and convenience of your home. Experience a radiant smile without an expensive trip to the dentist. Instruction and 100% customer service, 15 to 30 minutes per time each day, and keep using for 10 days, sure that you can get the best whitening result. We will be responsible for the product, and we have 24 hours online customer service for any question and all customer. The next is Number 1, produced fresh in the USA for ultimate effectiveness in the stain removal process. Like most of us here, crawling down within the reviews, the whiteness of my teeth has a newfound importance, even amidst this global pandemic. Glossy, luminous teeth have always been a necessity of attractiveness and a supreme indicator of one's good health. Yet today's appearance-driven world takes this even further, and white teeth and the methods of obtaining such perpetuate the media, and thus each of our lives. Having tried strips and paints from the local drugstores, I wanted more, and a thorough search led me here, to an equally effective but safer, less irritating method of whitening, Carbamide Peroxide. Now, truth be told, Crest strips whitened, but I could no longer tolerate the sensitivity that accompanied their use, and I sought a substitute equal, or greater, in effect, and, well, with the utmost certainty, I can say that this is surely that product. These gels are put onto a mouthguard-like applicator, which should be appended onto an LED light, enhancing the overall efficacy of delivery. 10 to 20 minutes of this miraculous gel osmosis is more than enough, and is likely even less time than a set of strips requires it, so this is the best option for you to buy. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.